Hi, this is Goggett. Hope everybody's doing well out there. I'm doing pretty good. Today is a beautiful day here in Tornado Alley, Texas, Lubbock, Texas, and it's like 96 degrees and the sun's out. And I'm going to go ahead and Mesquite smoke me a couple of steaks. And the steaks what I have today is our top sirloin steaks. And I'm going to show you how I do it. But there's something I want to express whenever you like either grill or smoke steaks. You want them to come to like a room temperature. Before you put them on the grill, you want to let them sit for about 30-45 minutes. That way it's not like an extreme cold going to extreme heat. And your steaks are going to come out a heck of a lot better. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you what I've got, and we'll go from there. And I'll show you how I make this, how I do my steaks. Let me go ahead and see if I can zoom in here, get a good picture. Oh, that's pretty good. Yeah. Okay, I've got two, like I say, top sirloin steaks here, and whenever I get my steaks or any meat, I always like to wash it off, except for chicken. I don't wash chicken off, but with the meat, I always wash it off, because sometimes when they're cutting this up, there's little fragments of bone in it, and I guarantee you don't want to bite into one of them little fragments of bone, because I've done that before and had to end up going to the dentist. So that's why I always wash it off, because it'll wash all them little fragments off. What I'm going to do is just put a little bit of olive oil on here. We're going to do both sides with it and just kind of rub it in. And what the olive oil does, it helps, like whenever you put it on the grill, to keep it from sticking, and it also gives it a real nice color. And if you're grilling steaks, just straight grilling, then it will help it not stick. Instead of cleaning your grill with olive oil or whatever, just brush it off with a cleaning brush, oil the meat, and put it on, and it works the same way. What I'm using today for my seasoning, I'm just using Dalmatian rub. Dalmatian rub is kosher salt and coarse black pepper. And I'm going to do both sides of this. And that's the only seasoning I'm putting on these steaks. And they're going to come out great. If you never smoked a steak before, I tell you, they are fantastic. We're going to go ahead and turn this over, and we're going to do the other side same way. A little olive oil. Don't want to get too much on there, but that'll work. Just rub it in real good. And just put the kosher salt and black pepper on it. Just get it salted really good. Go ahead and wash my hand off here. And I did wash my hands before I rub that into the meat, by the way. And from here, what we're going to do is I'm just going to let them sit here, and I'm going to go out, fire up my grill, get it ready to smoke these steaks, and by the time it's ready, the steaks will be ready to put on there. Back it up a little bit. Whoa, going the wrong way. Still trying to get used to this camera. Okay, we got the steaks ready for the grill. Like I say, I'm going to go out there and fire up that grill, get it ready for to smoke these steaks, and we'll catch you outside. Okay, it's time to put the steaks on. I got a nice blue smoke coming out of the stack of mesquite wood, and we're going to go ahead and put the steaks on. Got a hot side over here and the cool side over here, so we're just going to put them on the cool side of the steaks. And a baked potato for Mrs. Scoggett, and that's the way they're going to sit. And going to go ahead and just let them smoke. As you can see, there's a nice blue smoke coming out, so everything's good. Okay, I got the steaks. It's already smoked. I want to put a little bit of grill marks on them. So what I'm going to do is just bring them over here. Just put them on the hot fire. I got a hot fire going. We're going to let them just get a grill marks on them. Won't take long. Ooh. That's all I'm after, is just some grill marks on them. And as you can see, I have grill marks right there. And it won't take long at all. All right, I got my smoked steaks, and they're already cooked. And I did put them back on the hot side to kind of get a little crust to them, and they smell great. I've also let them rest for 7 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and cut into one of them and see how I did. This way it looks. And let me see which way the grain is running here. I want to cut it not with the grain, but against it. Cut off a bigger piece. And see how well I did here. Well, if I can get it. Here we have the piece of steak, and as you can see, there's real nice smoke ring to it. There's a real nice smoke ring to it. It's moist, and I like my steaks well done, so this is a well done steak. Now, a lot of people out there says, oh, if you make them well done, you ruin them. Well, I don't like them medium rare. I don't like them rare, and I don't like them mooing. So, to each his own. But I like mine well done, and that's the way I make them. And as you can see, it's just nice smoke ring and everything. Going the wrong way again. There we go. Going to go ahead and take a little taste of it and show it to you again. This is another piece. Oh yeah, it's cooked perfect. The meat's not tough. It's got a nice crust on it from putting it back on the hot side of the grill. And just, oh man, that is good. So this is Mesquite. And if you get a chance, smoke a steak. I'll tell you what, the flavor on a smoked steak is fantastic. And this one, I cooked about 45 minutes. I let it smoke for about 45 minutes at around between 250 and 300. And if you want them you can smoke them if you want them medium rare, or what have you, however you like it. Just cut down on the cooking time. Just go 30 minutes or 20 minutes and just get your thermometer, and when it gets to the temp, then take it off and it's done. But if you haven't had a smoked steak, I tell you, you need to really give this a try. This is Mesquite. I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers. My steak's getting cold, and y'all stay safe and take care.